Motorcycle jumbles are a regular feature of the English countryside. Places where you go hunting for the spare parts needed to complete your classic motorcycle restoration. And often the first place of call to keep your classic motorcycle running. There is a down-to-earth, real vibe to them. An honest assembly of anonymous motorcycle heroes. Masters of motorcycle mechanics and enthusiasts. Knowledgeable amateurs and pros. All rallying to parade their machines, get some bits for their restoration project, or clear out the shed for a few bob and a good chat.
My name's Roderick Taylor and I live in Brighton, and I've been bonkers about Vincent Black Shadows since I was 12 years old. I first bought one piece of a Vincent Black Shadow, the front forks, when I was 13 years old. £1 10 shillings in London. I waited until 1984 when this bike came up for sale at Sotheby's auction house. I had no money, but I persuaded my bank manager to lend me £15,000. It took me 10 years to repay because I only had the original loan for 5 years, but then there was a recession and I couldn't afford to pay it. So it's taken from 1985 to 1995 to fully repay for it. I rode it until 2005, but now I'm full of arthritis and I can only watch my son ride it and enjoy looking at it. 100 miles an hour in third gear every single time you take it out. Never fails.
So it's a done-up machine, yeah?
I've never been flat out because I've been too scared.
Very good.
To me, tiger. Going on the road about 103. Ready, man, see me, I'm old and tree. He was trying to check me when I looked at him. I rode that little right over the stem. Yeah, I got a tiger in my tank. If there's any doubt, when I pass you on the road, you'll see this tail.
It is in places like these where the expertise and the love of hundreds of aficionados keep the flame of old school motorcycling alive. Simplicity and class maintain the appeal of great classic motorcycle designs undiminished. And the skill and ability to keep them running is shared and nurtured in these makeshift temples of mechanical engineering. Here it is to the unsung masters of motorcycling, to their machines, and to their capacity to keep inspiring us with their proficiency. It is because of you the motorcycle heritage is preserved for future generations, safe for those that one day will learn how to kick-start their hearts.
born ready.
What?
He was born ready.